Top internet income generating opportunities. The good news is that you can get payment through PayPal, Payoneer, or directly into your local bank account. As you can see from the video, setting up the system is entirely free. Let's begin with the first step, which is visiting canva.com. Simply enter your email address and password to sign up for Canva, a free online tool that allows you to create any kind of design. After you log in, click the Custom Size button, choose the inches from there, type 12 and 16 inches into the boxes, and click the Create New Design button. This will lead us to the page where we can begin designing our design. For this video, I want you to create motivational or inspirational quotes for business owners or entrepreneurs. However, please ensure that the quotes you create are original and unprotected by copyright. Of course, you can use ChatGPT for this. Once you visit the ChatGPT, you can just type "share with me short quotes for inspiration for business owners and entrepreneurs," copyrighted ones, and simply click enter. To start a chat, we're going to create a beautiful quotes image for business owners and entrepreneurs out there. So let's start with the first quote. Dream big, start small, but most of all start, which GPT will share with you. You can use these quotes to set up a passive income system that will earn you $7 every minute on autopilot. All you have to do is copy these quotes one at a time and paste them into your Canva design. Dream text from there, and then I'll return to Canva. Here, I'll just choose the text option and then add a heading from Canva. I'll then copy the dream text from ChatGPT into this area. Now, I want you to change the text font of the Monorat text from there because it looks nice in the quotes image. Additionally, make sure that every heading has a capital letter in the words. Finally, I want you to place your text in the center of the pink frame that Canva is displaying. Just place your text and adjust its size to fit this frame. Now, copy and paste your initial sentence on Canva in the same manner, moving it to the middle. Then, copy the next word from the quotation from ChatGPT, go back to Canva, and just capitalize the first letter of this word. Simply copy and paste this text after reducing its size to a size that complements the other texts, like this, to produce an inspirational quotations graphic that like this, or something similar. This makes it possible for you to create a variety of inspirational quote images with just these ChatGPT quotes. After you've created your quote images, I want you to download each one separately from the share icon in the top right corner. From there, choose the download option. From the pages that you want to download, select the one you want to download. Click the Done button once more, and your quote image will be downloaded to your device. In this manner, you can download all of the quotes to your device. The next step is to visit gel.com. I'll provide a Gelato link. For those who are unaware of how print-on-demand operates, Gelato is a print-on-demand platform that offers a variety of white-label products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvas, all of which can be customized. This information can be found in the video's description and the pinned comment. Once you have a design, you work with a firm that will print and send it for you when a customer purchases it. If everything is set up properly, all you have to do is the good thing about this business model is that it can be started with $0 and is available worldwide. However, for our upcoming videos, please leave your country's name in the comments section below so that I can make more videos for you and other viewers from your country. For now, we're going with Gelato because it's free to use. You can create an account on Gelato for free, and their interface is very simple and easy to use, even for beginners like us. All you have to do is choose from a variety of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvases, that you can upload designs to, such as images, texts, drawings, etc., and then list your products on various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, eBay, etc. Gelato will fulfill orders placed on these platforms, and you will receive the profit from the sale. The reason we chose inspirational quotes for our images is that, for example, if I show you this print-on-demand Etsy shop, Kiki and Nim, which sells printable frames for businesses and additional sayings and pictures, there are many Etsy shops like this one. As you can see, this Divine Digital Print Shop has over 58,000 sales, and they are selling these wall arts with inspirational quotes for an average price of $10. You can also see that they have over 170,000 sales in their shop. You can see that they are selling these quotes wall art for anywhere from $3 up to $14. Even if we take $10 as the average sales price, they have already made over $1.7 million. $760. So if we do the math, they have already made close to $500,000 from this one shop alone. The reason these inspirational or business quote wall art works so well is twofold. First, there is a large market of aspiring entrepreneurs who love to put motivational artwork on their walls to keep themselves inspired and working hard. Second, the wall art is very inexpensive to make, and because it's more of an impulsive purchase, you can sell it for a little higher than your competitors to make a good amount of profit. Therefore, the wall art of inspirational quotes and images is the best product we can choose for the purpose of this video. This is how your dashboard will look after you log into your Gelato account. The first thing I want you to do is click on the store from the left, which will take you to this page where you can connect your store. As you can see here, you can connect different Shopify stores. Don't worry if Etsy is not available in your county, because you can integrate with Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and other sites for that. Once you understand how things work here, the third step is I want you to click the first link in the video description or the pinned comment and sign up for Gelato. Etsy Shop, the Amazon Shop, eBay, so you should again hover your mouse over the menu on the left, choose the product catalog, and a variety of product possibilities will be displayed. You may choose t-shirt mockups, hoodies, and bags here, phone case mockups, mugs, calendars, and much more. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose the wall art option, which will display various designs for our wall art, and then I'm going to choose the wooden frame option, which will display various wooden framed. There are many different posters to choose from. So I'm going to go with this premium matte paper wood framed poster, since it looks like the best seller. I'll just select it from there and we'll be taken to the next page where I'll just choose the 30x 40 centimeters or 12x 16 in option because that's the best size for most houses and that's what most people choose. From there, I'll choose the vertical frame and a black color frame and I'll make sure it's ready to hang. After selecting there, slightly scroll down and click the Start Designing button. This will take you to a website where you can upload your design for our wall art poster. Click any of the options to see how to do that. I'll simply click on my device from there and upload the design that we made and downloaded from Canva. Your designs will then appear in the file section on the left, where you can choose the one you want to use to create your wall art, and it will be copied to your device. Frame. Now that you've adjusted your design accordingly, it should fit into your frame perfectly and look good with it. The best part is that you can use other Gelato elements to improve your design if you'd like. For instance, you can add text from here or different shapes like lines, rectangles, and squares. Additionally, you may improve your design by using other Shutterstock photos and film from this source. You can even alter the wall art arrangement by choosing from a variety of accessible patterns. So if you want to fit 3 images into a single poster, you can use this layout. You can also use different Gelato graphics, which are available here for free, and so on. Once your wall art is ready, you can click on Preview to see how it will actually look, allowing you to see how your design will look on the wall of your home, in your bedroom, etc. Once you are happy with your wall art, you can save it as a template. After that, you can create your shop on Etsy or integrate it with Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and more if Etsy isn't available in your country. Make sure your shop is connected to the Gelato so that any orders you receive from these e-commerce sites will be sent to the Gelato, which will fill your orders and pay you after expenses. Once you get things going, you can easily start making over $7 per minute in pure passive income again for just setting this system up once more. I'll include a Gelato link in the video description, and you can gain free access to the pinned comment. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you use that link to buy Gelato, you'll also receive 50% off your first purchase if it's bought within 3 days of creating your account.